the end of summer nearing, thoughts of back to school have already entered your mind. Hand in hand with shopping for school supplies goes the search for the ultimate snack. Now, I'm not talking snacks for kids. I'm talking snacks for you. You've had a hard summer, so treat yourself. You've earned it. Hi, I'm Dawn from Home North, and if this is your first time here, we do practical homesteading on this channel. You're going to see videos like cooking, like this one, how-tos, product reviews, and even life hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mars Bar Rice Krispie Squares. This sweet treat is the ultimate snack and is way better than the traditional Rice Krispie Squares made with marshmallows. Mixed with chocolate on the inside and topped with chocolate, you can't go wrong when you eat this treat that's made with the best tasting ingredient out there, chocolate. Before we get into that, why don't you take a minute and click here and subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, you're letting YouTube know that this content's worth watching. And while you're at it, go ahead and click the little thumbs up button and give us a like. Finally, some of the products that I'm using to cook and prep are available on Amazon, and I have a link to Amazon in the description. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to want to start with 4 Mars bars, and we're going to peel and cut them up into bite-sized chunks, and we're going to put them into a saucepan. Mixed in with the Mars bars, we're going to add a half a cup of butter or margarine to the pot. Turn the saucepan onto medium or medium to low, and we're going to give it a stir while we're trying to melt the Mars bars. Continue to mix and stir the Mars bar and butter mixture until it's almost melted, but you don't want to completely melt it. You have to leave some of the chunks of Mars bar in there. So here we're almost ready. I just want to get them a little bit more, but not till it's creamy and not till it's fully melted. You want to see a little bit of texture still in here. Okay, that looks about good enough because it's going to continue to melt over the next couple seconds until I get the Rice Krispies in. So we are going to remove this from the heat now. So just turn that off. I'll just put it over here. And we're going to go ahead and add 3 cups of Rice Krispies. Okay, so we're going to give everything a stir, mix it up so everything's all mixed together. Once you've got everything mixed together, go ahead and put it inside a 9x9 pan or cake pan, whichever you prefer. I'm going to use this glass pan here. We're going to go and pour the Rice Krispie mixture and flatten it out on the bottom. Flatten the mixture across the bottom. There we go. First half of the dessert is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead now, and using the same saucepan, I'm going to mix up the topping. So I'm going to put in 1 cup of chocolate chips mixed with just a little bit of maybe an 1/8 cup of butter or margarine, just to help them get all melted. And we're going to go ahead and melt the chocolate chips. Margarine or butter. And when I use margarine or butter, I try to find something that has a neutral flavor. Don't pick one has quite a prominent taste, because you're going to taste it. It's going to come out in your cooking. We're just going to turn the stove to low so we can just keep this melting at a slow pace. And all the while, we're going to continue to stir it. It doesn't matter that a few of the Rice Krispies get in here. You're going to be putting it on top of your Rice Krispie square anyway. Okay, so you can see that the mixture is nice and melted. Chips are all melted away, and we're just going to go ahead and put that on top of the dessert. Spread it out all over the top of the Rice Krispie. And that's it. All you do is you're just gonna let it harden up a little bit, and then it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you here on the next video. Really?